Test, 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 test. Test 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Test 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Test 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Fuck it, that's fine. Okay, let's see. Let's get it. Let's get it. We have 10 minutes until the open. A bit late, but okay. Let me open my daily report card. Preparation. Forex Factory. FOMC minutes at 7 p.m. my time. I'll be done by then. Expecting less volatility before then, I imagine. But you never know. Maybe it's gonna get leaked. RWall 93. Not bad. Overnight we've been drifting lower. Well, kind of. Lower for the past few hours. Obviously we did pump up. Anyway, let's see. Higher time frame. Higher time frame. Yesterday we went lower. So we had this 3-day distribution, I think. Overnight went up, crossed it, sold off, retested 950s. Wait, this all happened overnight, I think, right? Anyway, we are below this. We are. So here's the yesterday's distribution. Quite elongated, I would say. Overnight we have this node and this node. We are inside of yesterday's range. That is usually a sign of a range day. 230 points. Let's see what's going to happen. I would say peak below 550 and then reclaim could be an opportunity. Similarly, peak above 780s, 800 could give us this opportunity. Let me draw it better. Something like that. At the moment we are in the middle, so I would like to wait a little bit. At the same time, on the monthly, we are in balance down. We overnight. Was this overnight? We've been hugging this -2 and we bounced off. So could be an interesting opportunity for continued push up towards 920. If we go above 780 into prior month's value, we could continue pushing up, but there is a roadblock at 920. The weekly is a bit more interesting because yesterday started as this. No, sorry. Yesterday overnight we went up, sold off, went up to -1 and sold off again hard.
I never dollar cost average.
I never DCA, that's right. So, and then we bounced, went inside value, outside value, inside, outside. Now we are back inside. 590s area would be an interesting spot for a rebid opportunity. So we could do something like that. Or we could obviously sell off and re-offer to continue lower. So 590s will be a nice spot to gauge. I'm going to mark it. Well, it's already marked, but I'll put it as a reminder that it's a good spot to gauge. I need to pay more attention to weekly bands intraday, because I feel like I get lost in the sauce a little bit. Intraday, losing big picture. So 590 is one line, 780, and here's 550. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on this value area. What we do, primarily 590s. Then if we start going lower, need to keep in mind what we have going on here. I'll keep this for now, just to remind me what I came up with, because intraday sometimes I just lose high time frame ideas that I came up pre-market. Okay, we have 7 minutes until the open. I'm gonna paste this into my journal. Number 1, CVA inside yesterday, CVA. Rotational potential, monthly VWAP, imbalanced down, but we bounced off of -2, bull sign, I would say. Weekly VWAP inside TVA. We didn't reach -2 after yesterday. That's also a bull sign. So my levels will be for support 590. What is this? 24,590. Resistance 780,800, let's say. 780. Okay, perfect. No. Back to the execution chart. On the execution chart, our roll 94, not too bad. Overnight inventory has been long, so we had this push up, but then we started drifting lower. But the selling is not as hard, so that's also a bull sign, even though we're drifting lower on a less selling, I feel like. So I would say I'm generally bullish. Let's see. We're not too far away from the line in the sand. I would like to be bullish, but yeah. Let's see how RTH opens up. As always, let's type out the things. I am a pullback trader. I wait for a pull back to occur before trying to find an entry in a rhythm. Very important. Ah, fuck. Boom. Number 2. I wait for the hand to be shown and not try to catch a falling knife. Very important. Got burnt by this too many times. Number 3, I respect my 4R DLL and walk away after it's been hit. I respect my 3
Big
L's
buy.
in a row and walk away. I take 10 minutes break after every trade. I think that's everything. Boom. Alright, let's see what happens. Fucking bastard. Why it's jumping around the moment I click on it. Like, look at that. It was here, now it's here. Line in the sand. What's happening on the dome? On the dome we have a little bit of stacking right here. Well, not stacking, it's just people, a few orders,
Big
large
sell.
orders. Alright, we are
NQ
on.
plus 1 touch. NQ plus 2 touch. Big sell.
I need to revisit my VWAP announcements on RTH. I think everything freezes when the sound is being played. Gonna refresh the DOM. Okay, this is straight off the rip, quite pump down, minus 300. Keep an eye on high time frame. Where to mine. Oh, did I just miss my line of descent trade? Maybe. That's okay.
Big buy.
Big buy. I do want to buy, but it's been 1 minute since the open. So we want minus 300 plus 300. Is this a retest? We're drifting lower, but on not very strong selling.
Big buy.
Waiting for a sign.
Big buy.
Maybe this is the sign? Big buying, but it's not getting rewarded.
I understand the absolute necessity of these principles of consistent success, and therefore never violate them.
Quite strong selling now. But we are delta neutral, plus 60 I don't understand. 60-point range so far.
Big buy. Big buy.
Okay, big buy. And it's time to get in, maybe. I am hesitant a little bit. The line in descent is working. This was pretty strong buying, but I would say not rewarded. So VWAP is disregarded so far. We went +2, -2, +2, -2. Or are we gonna push up?
Big buy.
Big buy. Yeah, that's some strong buying for sure. Yeah. By the way, I think I didn't turn off simulated account trading. Okay, that's a lot of buying. The VWAP has not been holding so far, so I'm not gonna react at VWAP. And we have +400 delta.
NQ. +1 touch.
Every time audio is being played, my chart is freezing. Okay, I think I missed my entry. I wanted to buy around the line in the sand.
Big sell.
Is this a confirmed imbalance up? Established imbalance up? Good question. Wow, we're above -2 and +2. Would like to get a little pullback. Is the feed up to date? I think so.
Big buy.
Quite strong buying. Can we pull back to +1?
Big sell.
not gonna even touch +1 or what? Shrug of a little. Okay, watching. Watching. It's a pretty big sell off. I don't know, this might be a mistake. Can we get to 720s? I don't like that POC shift. Don't like the struggle. Can we do a little push?
NQ, +1 touch. Big buy.
Nice.
Big buy.
720s and I'm out.
Big buy.
Breathe, man, breathe.
Think in probabilities, not certainties.
I'm taking it. Whew.
Big sell.
Good. One and done. One and done. And we keep pushing, but I do not care. I'm gonna turn off trading. I'm happy with my 50 pointer. It was a good read. Look at this line in the sand. Bounce, retest. Okay, I chickened out. Sell, bounce, push, retest, take it here, right up to here. Pump.
Big buy.
Big buy. Let me log this trade.
Big buy.
Okay, big buy. I'm happy. Wow, wow, wow. Great push. Okay. Okay, boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna remove all these. It's not relevant anymore.
Big buy.
Let me grab export of the trade. Boom.
Big sell. Big buy. Big buy.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this shit off. GG.
Big buy. I take 10 minutes break after every trade. Big buy. Big buy. Big buy.